This is a pre-built from Amazon that a customer had bought a while back, and they began having issues with it. It started blue screening, it started crashing on them, and we went in here and we tested out every single component of the computer, and we narrowed down the issue to the motherboard. So it seems like the motherboard is having some hardware issues. Sometimes it won't properly, the fan won't properly spin, it will crash, it's very random. So we're going to swap out the motherboard, move all the parts that are in here over to the new motherboard and test it out, just make sure it's not crashing again. So to begin, we're going to take out the GPU, which is the biggest hardware component in here, and that will allow us more room to be able to take out all other parts. And this GPU has a bracket installed. And 2 screws right here. Next, we just want to disconnect all of the cables. The rest of the parts we can swap over once we have our other motherboard taken out. That's going to be the RAM, the CPU cooler, and the SSD. So let's start removing the motherboard. So this is a tester SSD. The customer's SSD is right here. We'll install it under this heatsink right here. Remove this plastic covering the thermal pad. Next, we're going to install the RAM. Just slots 2 and 4, A2, B2. Alright, and the last thing will be the CPU and CPU cooler. For this, we will do a star pattern to remove the CPU cooler, CPU heatsink, and then take it off. Alright, we're going to swap the CPU, so we'll need to open up this CPU first and then transfer it over carefully. Make sure it's set in correctly and then tighten it in. Alright. And we will need this bracket for the CPU cooler. We're just going to put it below right here. Make sure that's settled in and begin our star pattern again. Now we can connect back our power supply cables, motherboard, CPU, and our USB and audio cables. We'll start off with the CPU. The last thing we're going to insert back is the GPU. sure it's aligned. And it's plugged in, and we'll screw it in on this side. And the stand off. And the bracket. The last thing is our fan. Alright, fan is installed and connected. Now it's time to put it on the bench and make sure it boots.